Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the comic shop. You're now tuned in with Sergeant Beezy. Welcome to my military helmet 3D printed series. In this one guys, I'm making something just a little bit different. For Warzone's #1 PD officer, the J Broski.
Officer Black, get out now! Don't you get out, stop reaching for the gun! Get! Oh shit, that's him. That's 100% him. Hey, get on the fucking ground! Right the fuck now, buddy! Warzone PD! Get on the motherfucking ground!
Dude, what the fuck you yelling? It's a goddamn game.
We're gonna be helping him complete his PD officer uniform with a helmet of his own. So I was scrolling through TikTok one day when I actually found his channel, and it was a pleasure because he actually brings fun back to gaming. Whereas most people sweat and try so hard to get the win or to get so many kills, he kind of just makes it a little bit fun. I'll leave the link for this file down below in the descriptions, but make sure guys that you hit the like button, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more of my 3D printed tutorials and builds and more. Okay, so I made a bunch of different slices, so there's not really much I'm gonna have to do as far as sanding because this is all just gonna be one pretty flat piece. There's not much detail that goes into this. Fits just nice and snug. One of the things that I'm gonna have to fix when I slice this in slicer, for some reason I guess it overcompensated this back piece here. So in order for it to attach to the main part of the helmet, I'm just gonna have to slice this off, that way it comes out level. You'll see me struggling removing some of the supports. That was fun. And in doing so, the goggles were actually held by like a little small, like thin pole that snapped as I was doing that. And I'd rather that happen in my hands than actually happen in his hands. So since that happened, I'm gonna be reassembling these two together. Snaps aren't really bad because, as you see, mainly what I do on this channel is show you how to assemble props. So there's probably 1 or 3 ways. My main way is soldering this back on, or 2, using my driver and pretty much creating a new hole within the goggle piece and then using a zip tie and hiding that behind. Or just like a little bit of glue and removing some of the old supports that this had, which is gonna be no more needed since that piece snapped off, and gluing and welding that way. So there are 1 or 3 methods, which I'll get into. Whichever one I feel is gonna work the best is what I'll show you guys. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Hitlist.io.
Right shoulder up, pull. Left shoulder up, pull.
Boom, boom, boom,
Right up,
boom,
pull.
boom, boom,
Right up,
boom,
pull.
boom, boom, boom.
Alright guys, so for more of my military builds, definitely hit the subscribe button so that way, and the bell notification so that way you can see exactly when I post. I'll be making more helmets like this and some more traditional military helmets like this Mempo and Kabuto and this knight's armor as well. Definitely check out the J Broski on Twitch so that way you can see this cosplay in action. He has the full PD suit and now he's gonna have the helmet, and I'm actually gonna throw the stem in there for him as well so that way he can have like a little bit more fun on the stream. He streams again Warzone a little bit earlier in the morning. Like I said, it's definitely a stream you should watch. He's very funny. He doesn't take the game too serious, and he's very interactive with this community as well. So it was a good, I'm glad that I got to link up with him and make this for him. Definitely show support to his stream. Again, that's the J Broski on Twitch and TikTok. Besides that, guys, it's BZ Comics. I'm out. Good. I wanted to throw some stickers on there that said Warzone PD, but he kind of wanted it just like a flat black, so I just gave him what he wanted basically. And I have some clear or like see-through transparent plexiglass that I was gonna put in these lenses too, but fitting them in there was gonna be like a challenge, so I just stayed with this. Like I said, stay tuned. More of these military style helmets. I found the Batman one that's kind of like this too. So I can't wait to show you guys that one. If you stay this long, then you'll know what's up. Besides that, God bless. Peace.